everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to pin comments in Rednote. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Rednote app. This is Rednote app. Now we've downloaded this Rednote. In the previous video I showed you how to download and install Rednote app on your Android device, and then another video I showed you how to use the Rednote app, and then I showed you how to create an account. So now I've created an account and we're here right now. We want to learn how to pin a comment in Rednote app. Now unfortunately there isn't a particular feature that shows you how to pin comments in the way you might be familiar with on other platforms. So instead there's like a workaround for it. So I want to show you the workaround. So what you simply do is you highlight or prioritize comments on Rednote. How? Reply to the comments. This is the most common way to acknowledge and engage with a comment. Your reply will appear directly below the original comment, making it more visible. You can also like the comments. Liking a comment shows your appreciation and can help you stand out to other users. Then you can also tag the user. If you want to specifically draw attention to a user's comment, you can tag them in your own reply or a new comment. This will notify them and potentially bring more attention to their original comments. While this method doesn't offer a true pinning function, they can help you effectively highlight and engage with important or interesting comments within the Rednote app. So let's see if we can do something like that. And let's pick this. Alright, so you just click on this. Okay, so you can see I've liked the comment. I can comment by clicking on this here. So this is a comment. You can comment directly underneath it. You can reply to the comment by clicking on this reply button here. So when you click on reply, you reply directly underneath. That's the first one we mentioned in a way to pin it. Second one we said you can like it. You can like the comment. So clicking on the heart, I've liked this comment. Can you see? And then you can also decide to tag the person's comments also if you feel like. So those are the ways to pin a comment in a way, like pin a comment in Rednote. So if there are any changes or if you figure out a way directly to pin a comment on Rednote, please let us know in the comment section. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye for now.